That was a fantastic way to conclude the symposium this morning. I think when you think about what we've been talking about over the last couple of days, the playography just becomes so alive. We talk about when we talk about it and recognize how people are making work in so many different ways, from different motivations and for different audiences. And people are, writing plays, making plays. The nature of playmaking has changed so dramatically in many ways over the 20 years of playography. And I can't even begin to imagine, when playography is celebrating its 40th anniversary, what it will be, what it will contain. The discussions, I know for me, have provoked lots of thoughts and questions around playography, its parameters, the question around what is a play. And as Jim said, reminded us this morning that Mark Ravenhill said yesterday, if anybody ever finds out the answer to the question, what is a play, please keep it to yourself. I think the symposium has served its purpose in terms of asking that question. I know I have thoroughly enjoyed listening to everybody, and I'm ever so grateful for all of the generous contributions that people have made, and to the audience out there. And we chose a webinar on this occasion because it was the most suitable platform for the event. However, when we play the slideshow at the end, we're going to promote everybody to panelists. So if anybody wants to stay around and have conversation when the slideshow finishes, please do. And thank you all for your attendance over the last couple of days. Siobhán, I'm going to hand over to you for final thank yous.
I'm just wish to thank everybody for giving us the time over the last 2 days out of your very busy work schedules and lives to come and be with us on this journey. And a big bula boss, a big round of applause for the team here, led by Catherine Murphy, on the curation of the event. It has been a total pleasure to work with everybody in that regard. I hope you've enjoyed it. And with big thanks also to our panelists who've been fabulous in their generosity and with their contributions. We want to remind you all that the publication is available to download. In due course, it may exist in hard copy, but it is available to download. We would encourage you all to read the essays. They are fabulous essays. We have, Tom Kilroy's piece, Zoe Reardon's piece, Philly's, and Martin. It's dangerous not to do this, Siobhán, you won't remember all the names.
Veronica
and Rosemary. All of those, and Philip's then kind of synthesis and reflections on it all are really, really interesting, as are Catherine and Kate's kind of introduction to the publication. So I would advise you all, and really strongly recommend that you go look at it. It will be on our website. I'd like to put out a final call for people to think about the Phelim Donlan Award, and also to tell you to please do stay in touch with us on playography. If you have any comments or queries, we're always here to read your emails and get involved in the conversation on playography. And, think about doing our e-play submission. Think about coming on the e-play journey with us. We'd be delighted with that as well. And on the occasion of the 20th anniversary of playography, I want to acknowledge the village we were in that created the resource. And thank you all very much.